to metric and metric to English. Let's review some of the conversions factor that we learned over the years. 1 inch equals to 2.54 centimeter. This is a key unit here because through this unit we can jump from the metric to the English system. 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeter. 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meter. I don't know if you remember something you memorized in the elementary school. King Henry died. You skip your unit here. Drinking chocolate milk. So if we want to talk about distance, kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Between every 2 units you have difference of 10. If you're going from big to small, you're multiplying. Small to big, you're dividing. And with the English system, I think you all memorized the main conversion factors between feet, miles, yards, inches, etc. So let's do some problems. 60 inches, we need to convert it to meter. So we have to have a plan to move on the conversion factors to go from inches to meters. So here we go, 60 inches. We're gonna multiply it. Let's have the plan first. If I go from inch to centimeter through that key unit there, from centimeter I can go to meter. So actually I moved from the English system to the metric system. Inch right here, so you're gonna put your inch right down in the denominator, and centimeter in the numerator. Times centimeter down here, and here's your meter. And the only thing that we have to fill out this fraction, we have 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeter, and 100 centimeter equals 1 meter. So my answer for the first problem will be 60, parenthesis, 2.54 divided by 100, and here's the meter. Make sure always you put your conversion factors in parentheses. Let's do one more. Letter B. Kilometers squared. I need to change it to miles squared. Let's set up the steps. From kilometer, I can go to meters. From the meters to centimeter. Now, with this centimeter, I can jump to the English system, so I'm going to inches. From inches to feet. And now it's your choice to pass through the yards or straight to the miles. Miles. And we're going to start now. 60 kilometer squared. Be careful with that square. Don't leave it out. Times. So kilometer here and meter here. The whole thing squared. Because I have kilometer squared, I have to square my whole conversion fractions. I have 1,000 meter equals to 1 kilometer. Meter, I have to go to centimeter times. Same thing, I have to put my square right here. Here's my M, centimeter. 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Times. This is the key unit here. Centimeter down, inch here, 1 inch is equal to 2.54. Here's my squared. Times inch. So here's my inch to feet. I have 12 inches in the foot times feet here. How many feet in 1 mile?
5,280.
5,280 equals 1 mile. So my final answer would be like this. 60 times everything in the numerator, I'm going to put it up. 1,000 squared, 100 squared, over 2.54 squared, 12 squared, 5,280 squared, and my answer is going to be in miles squared. All right, 53C, weight, combinations, by percent. Some problems. A, what percent by weight of Na2S2O3 is sulfur? S, where Na is 23, S is 32, O is 16. Let's see the mass of my component Na, S, and O. Na is 23, and I have 2 of them, so that would make them 46. S is 32, and I have 2, so I'm going to multiply by 2 to get the weight. Molecular mass, 64. Then I have the O is 16, multiply that by 3, and that would be 48. Add them together, the total will be 158. This is the weight of this component right here. I need the weight of sulfur, which is S, it's right here. So I'm going to put now 64 divide by 158, the total weight, times 100%, and that would be 41% of the weight goes to the sulfur. The last problem for today, B, what percent by weight of CH4 is carbon, where C equals 12 and H equals 1. Same idea C is 12, and I have just one C, so I don't have to multiply anything by that. H, the weight is 1, but I have 4 of them, so times 4, so that would be 4 here, and that's 12. Add them, that's 16. The carbon is 12, and they're asking me what percent by weight is carbon, so I'm going to take that 12, divide it by 16, multiply it by the 100% to find the percent, and that would be 75%. And that's all for lesson